Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, we are going to review Velents. Velents is an AI-powered platform for recruiting and hiring your candidates. And as you can see, they are running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and they are claiming that they are the alternative of HireVue. It's best for HR managers, recruiters, talent acquisition managers, and startups that want to speed up the hiring process. So Balance is an AI powered end to end screening platform for accessing and ranking candidates across all stages of the hiring process. If you see their pricing from here, they are offering you up to license tier 4, and in license tier 1 you are getting it at 79 USD for lifetime, and here you are getting one admin users, 3 live jobs, and 25 live interviews per month, 50 active candidates. And in license tier 2 you are getting these things. If you upgrade more up to license tier 4, then you will get unlimited admins, unlimited live jobs, you will get 300 live interviewers per month, and 500 active candidates. So these are the things guys, and these all features you will get with this all tiers. And there have custom logo and branding, video and structured interview, WhatsApp. Then you are getting pre-interview and assessments, interview builder, 10 coding assessment per month, so you can get here coding assessments also. Then you are getting sourcing assistant, case study tracking, and access 1000 plus job description. So these are the things guys. See, so this tool is basically helpful for the people who need a hiring management system. Now, without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Balance and let's see what have inside the dashboard of Balance. This is the dashboard of Balance, guys. As you can see, before exploring the dashboard, we have to set up our settings at first. Here is the setting. From here, just click here, My Account. There have company details, contact information, communication, departments, review joining request, and settings. You have to give your intro video where you will explain about your video. If you want, you can upload here. I didn't upload it, but I have uploaded here the logo of my company. So these are the things guys. Here give the name of your company, your tagline, your established date and types of your company, your number of team member, and your location. And here write the description about your company. So these are the things. After that, there have contact information, so you can give here your contact information, your email, phone number, your website, your social links, these things. After that, there have communications. Let me explore what is communication. So in this communication section, you can create templates for your further use. Suppose this is one template that I have created, congratulations template. Suppose I will create a new template here. Just click here, new template, and here select the type of your template, accepted and rejected. Suppose I will select accepted. Give the name. Suppose it's accepted template 11. Any name you can give. After that, there is the message. After that, just click here, submit. So these are the templates that I have created right now. So in this way, you can create as many template you need, and you can use these templates for later. After that, there have departments. Let's go to this department. From here, you can create your new department. Suppose I have created a hiring department, management department, and sales and marketing department. From here, you can delete the department. You can edit the department also. Suppose I will create another department here. Just give the name of your department here. So this is the name of one of my department, suppose, and just click on add new department. So from here you can create department for your office, and this department will be used when you will go to hire people. I will show you how to use these departments. After that, they have review joining request. If anyone request for joining, you will see their list here. After that, they have settings. Let me explore the setting. From here you can select the language, and you can hide tips and hints, and then you can assign new admins if you wish to assign. And they are offering you greenhouse API key and workable API key. So if you are a user of greenhouse, then you can connect your greenhouse account with Balance. Let me explore what is greenhouse. See, this is greenhouse. So if you are the user of greenhouse, then you know what is greenhouse actually. After that, they are also offering you workable integration, so you can use these things here also. So these are the things we have explored from our account section. After that, let me explore this insight section. In this insight section, you can see all the insights about your company information, company name, biography, your company size, your social links. And from here you can see total number of active jobs on your dashboard, total shares of your job, and job expired number. And if anyone apply on your company, then you can see all your applicants list here in this section. So these are the things, guys. After that, there have the positions, so you can create here as many position you need. Suppose this is one position that I have created, you can create new position just by clicking here create new position. I'm not creating a new one, I will explore this one. See, this is the position that I have created, and after creating you will see your position like that. You can edit the position, you can delete it, you can share it, or you can archive it. At first, let me explore what have inside this position, and then I will show you further things. To explore, just click here edit. See, from here you can select your departments. That means for which department you want to hire people. So these are the use of department, guys, that we have created from our settings. In this way you can create as many department as you need, and you have to select this department here. After that, here give the name of your position. Suppose I want to hire some people for virtual reality engineer, and then select the types of job: part-time, full-time, freelance, project based, volunteering, intern, contact, these things. After that, select the region from where you want to hire, and then here give the expiration date of your job posting. You can select it as remote job, you can select it as easy apply. If you select easy apply, then applicants can apply with name and CV just. After that, there have private position. In private position, only people with the link will be able to apply for these positions. So these are the things, guys, I have selected here: easy apply and remote job, as you can see. After that, there is the job description. You have to give your job description here, and from here you can select your required skills. See, I have selected virtual reality and strong communication skill. Suppose you want more skill, suppose Python, just insert your skill here and then click on plus icon, so your skill will be added here. So these are the things, guys, here. After that, they have a specific question, so you can ask a specific question who want to apply here. So just continue here and see, these are the questions that I have added here. You can add new question just by clicking here add question. Here give the question, and here select competencies, and you can select it as general also. You can get the answer as video, section, free text, number, files, audio. You can select the duration of your audio, and number of retake you can also select. So these are the things, guys. You can also get AI powered question here. Suppose you want to check the conflict resolution of the employee, so just select it, it will add a new question here. See, this is the question. You can edit the question now. So these are the question, guys. So if you want to use their AI to ask question to your employee, you can use these things. Suppose you want to check the flexibility of the employee, just select it, the question will be added. So these are the things, guys. After adding all your question, just click here next. Here you will see your job title, your job description. That means you have to review it here. See, they will add a video by default here. See, this is the video. I'm not playing the video because I'm not sure about the copyright things. So if I play it here, then may I get copyright strike in YouTube. So I'm not playing it, but they will provide a AI powered video here for your job. So you don't have to create video if you don't want to create. These are the things. After that, click on save and continue. Here you can see other FAQs. See, communication, you can select the communication language, you can select the invitation by SMS, answer, WhatsApp question. So these are the things. You can customize these all things, or if you don't customize, then when your user apply on this position, they will get this email. When the user got an invitation for assessment, they will get this email, and when the user got rejected, they will get this image. So you can customize this all things. See, there have all types of formatting things. So after doing all the things, just click here update. So your position will be created in this way. Now you can share this position just from here. copy the link. Now I will open it in an incognito window. Let me check what they are showing here. See, this is the job name, and this is your company name, company website. This is the job description. See, and here is the entry level job, remote job, these things, and here is the skill list. People can apply here just by clicking here, easy apply. As I have selected here, easy apply, people have to just enter their name, email, and CV. So these are the things, guys. See, they have
Hello.
added here.
All that you need is
I'm not playing it. I'm extremely sorry, guys, for that. But there they will add a video, and in this video they will instruct you how you can apply here. Here, if candidates enter their name, email, and CV, and then they have to click here apply, then they can apply. I'm not applying right now, but your candidates will apply in this way actually. So these are the things, guys. After that, you can create here as many new position as you want, but it's not really as many new position as you want, because in their license tier they have restriction. In license tier 1 you will get 3 live jobs, in license tier 2 you will get 10 live jobs, and in license tier 4 you will get unlimited live jobs. So if you want unlimited live jobs, then you have to get this one actually. So these are the things, guys. So if you get license tier 4, then actually you can create here as many position as you want. So we have explored the insight and positions tab as of now. From here you can filter if you have a lots of job listing here. After that, there have talent pool. If I click on this talent pool, suppose you have already some applicants or some applicants data, you can upload their CV here. You can enter the application data here manually if you wish to enter. I'm not entering here, but you can enter. After that, there have CSV upload, so you can upload multiple data from CSV also here. So all your previous candidates list will be shown here. So these are the things. After that, there have career page. If I go to this career page, see, this is a drag and drop builder. You can build these types of hiring page for your company. See, this is drag and drop builder, and here have header, gallery, text section, body with video, body with image, feature, footer, delete. So these all things there have, and you can select your username from here. So these are the things, guys. You can update the domain, but here I am seeing one lackness. The lackness is I can't add here my custom domain. So I think the authority of Valence should bring this feature so that people can add their custom domain here. And as of now, I can add here the subdomain. That means the subdomain of Valence. But in my case, I'm not interested to use their subdomain actually. I want to use my own domain. So it should be considered by the authority of Valence. I hope it will come soon. So these are the things, guys, on this career page. You can create your career page from here. You can see the preview. Let me open the preview here. See, this is the preview. As I have not added anything here, that's why it's showing like this. But if you wish to design, then you can design the page like this. So these are the things. After that, there have messaging option. That means if any of your candidates message you, you can see all your messaging things here. As in this dashboard no one messaged, so it's empty now. So it's very minimal dashboard, guys. The things are very clean. If you think you need a hiring management system or hiring management tool, then you can get this lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this lifetime deal in the description of this video. You can get at least 10% discount in all this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount link. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, then I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costings. So if you think this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this deal, and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group. I'll give the link of this VIP lifetime deal discussion group in the description and in the comment section of this video. I'll run giveaway campaign soon on this group, so if you wish to join here, you can join here, and if you want to get the lifetime deal giveaway, you can join here also. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.